Welcome to Copenhagen, a city of fairy tales, bike lanes, royal history, and modern Scandinavian charm. In this video, we'll take you on a thoughtfully planned 3-day itinerary crafted to give you the perfect mix of culture, food, relaxation, and adventure. Whether you're here for the history, the hygge lifestyle, or the street food, this is your guide to experiencing the very best of Denmark's dazzling capital city. Day 1. Welcome to the Danish dream. Morning. Start your journey at the colorful waterfront district of Nyhavn. With its charming pastel buildings and historic ships lining the canal, Nyhavn is like stepping into a postcard. Grab a coffee and Danish pastry from a waterside cafe and take it all in. Don't forget to snap a photo at house number 20, the former home of Hans Christian Andersen. Next, hop aboard a canal boat tour from Nyhavn. In just an hour, you'll pass major sites like the Opera House, Christianshavn, and of course, the world-famous Little Mermaid statue. Afternoon. Time to explore Copenhagen on foot. Walk over to Strøget, one of Europe's longest pedestrian streets, lined with shops ranging from H&M to high-end Danish design boutiques. When hunger strikes, swing by Torvehallen, a modern food hall offering everything from smørrebrød, traditional open-faced sandwiches, to gourmet chocolates and local beer. After lunch, take a short stroll to Rosenborg Castle, nestled inside the King's Garden. Built in the early 1600s, this Renaissance castle is home to the Danish crown jewels and royal regalia. Evening. Head to the Round Tower, a 17th century astronomical observatory. Walk the spiral ramp to the top and enjoy a sweeping view of the old city bathed in golden sunset light. Finish your day at Refn Street Food Market, Copenhagen's edgy, eco-friendly food village built from shipping containers. With over 40 food stalls from around the globe, vegan ice cream, local craft beers, and bonfires by the water, it's the perfect place to eat, chill, and vibe with locals. After a full day of sights, flavors, and history, you'll feel Copenhagen's magic starting to take hold. But hold tight, we're only getting started. Day 2. Culture, creativity, and Copenhagen cool. Morning. Start your morning with brunch at Raw 42 or Mad and Cafe, 2 Copenhagen brunch legends known for organic seasonal dishes and delicious coffee. Then make your way to the Little Mermaid, an iconic statue inspired by Hans Christian Andersen's tale. A short walk away is Kastellet, a well-preserved 17th century star-shaped fortress. It's a peaceful place to stroll, jog, or even watch the Danish military guard in training. Afternoon. Dive into Danish government and royal life with a visit to Christiansborg Palace. Parts of this complex are used by the Queen, Parliament, and the Supreme Court, all under one roof. Don't miss the lavish royal reception rooms and the tower's free panoramic view. For lunch, head to Bruuns Gardekøkken near the Inner Harbour Bridge. Grab a bite from rotating gourmet food trucks and enjoy scenic views of Nyhavn across the water. In the afternoon, get ready for something truly unique, a visit to Freetown, Christiania. This autonomous neighborhood in Christianshavn is filled with street art, handmade houses, and an alternative lifestyle unlike anywhere else in Europe. Be respectful, take in the creativity, and enjoy the bohemian vibe. Evening. Head to Nørrebro, one of the city's most diverse and lively districts. Enjoy dinner at Best, a Michelin-recognized spot for organic pizza and house-made charcuterie. If you're a music lover, wrap up your night with live jazz at Jazzhus Montmartre, or discover Copenhagen's indie scene at Vega, one of the city's premier concert venues. From royal halls to rebellious neighborhoods, Day 2 paints a vibrant picture of Copenhagen's cultural spectrum. Day 3. Art, nature, and farewell feels. Morning. Ease into your final day with a relaxed breakfast at Granola Cafe in the Vesterbro district, a charming retro-style bistro loved by locals. Art lovers, this one's for you. Visit the New Carlsberg Glyptothek, a world-class museum with ancient Greek sculptures, French Impressionist paintings, and a beautiful indoor garden cafe under a glass dome. Afternoon. Take a walk through Frederiksberg Gardens, an elegant park home to lakes, exotic trees, and even an elephant viewpoint into the neighboring zoo. Next, head to the Carlsberg Brewery, a must-visit for beer enthusiasts. Explore the story behind Denmark's most famous beer, see the world's largest bottle collection, and enjoy a tasting session. Evening. End your trip on a magical note with an evening at Tivoli Gardens, the 180-year-old amusement park in the heart of the city. Ride the wooden roller coaster, stroll past fairy-lit trees, and catch live entertainment on the open-air stage. Have your farewell dinner inside Tivoli, perhaps at Grøften, a traditional Danish restaurant, or Nimb Brasserie for something more upscale. As the lights sparkle and laughter fills the air, you'll realize that Copenhagen isn't just a destination. It's a feeling, one you'll want to return to again and again. And there you have it, your perfect 3-day Copenhagen itinerary. From iconic sites to hidden gems, from smørrebrød to street food and castles to cozy cafes, Copenhagen is a city that blends the old and the new in the most unforgettable way. If this video helped you plan your trip, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel guides, and let us know in the comments what are you most excited to see in Copenhagen. Thanks for watching. And as they say in Denmark, God rejse, safe travels.